feel like I'm a really bad vlogger. Also, kind of beside the point, but I may or may not have just texted my ex-boyfriend, so we're not gonna talk about it. So today is a no makeup sort of day, and not gonna lie, I'm also struggling with my hair. So I pretty much been trying to vlog this past week because I had like quite a few things going on, but guess what? I'm a terrible vlogger, like terrible vlogger. I did not even get like b-rolls. So starting off with last Saturday, I had a photo shoot for the accommodation that I live in. Although this is technically gonna be my last year, I'll definitely move out sometimes in August, like early September, late August. I'll definitely share the pictures once they're on the website and stuff. I kind of want to do a video of me reacting to the picture on the website because, you know, they're gonna feature me. So yeah, definitely stay tuned for that. But I've done this photo shoot and somehow I managed to get like hail during the photo shoot. Like after the photo shoot, I legit had the worst cold ever. Oh my god, I thought about vlogging today or even like you know, doing a video, and I feel so fucking sick all of a sudden. So cheers. Oh my god, I got so fucking sick. My nose is like so runny and I just don't know what the fuck to do, like literally. So yeah, definitely did not have a great time, but on a more positive note, I discovered Lemsip, which I became obsessed with, and legit made me feel better in like a day. So if you're in the UK, you don't know what Lemsip is, be sure to get some because it's amazing. Beside the point, I had some exciting packaging to open, or at least one of them was exciting. So don't mind my voice, I'm still super sick, but I've got some packaging. So this is super exciting from Hollister, and then this is gonna be the test that I need to do. I'm super duper sick, so great. Just gonna crack this open. Wait, I think it's so short. Wait. Fuck. Oh my god. Let's yeah. So I got next the coronavirus AG rapid test, cassette test swab. Alright. Knew it. My ex texted me back after he's been sending an emoji, and I did not reply to the emoji. Damn it, I'm way too good. So like I mentioned, I'm going to Italy, and we all know the crazy world we're living right now. So of course, I had to book a COVID test, and I'm actually gonna link it down below if you guys are looking to travel as well, because it's definitely the cheapest one that I've found, like 30 bucks. That's not too bad. Although it's kind of annoying because it's the same one the NHS does. You know, a girl gotta do what a girl gotta do. So yeah, got that, and then I got the dress from Hollister, which I'm planning on wearing it to the concert, so yeah, stay tuned for that. So something else that happened this week was I got my vaccine, and not gonna lie, like I did not have any symptoms. I was super fine, except for the fact that my arm was so sore, and I feel like even now, like I can't really lift it like all the way up. On the way back, walking through London Fields, I managed to find a lot of quadrifoy, which I'm not even sure this is how you pronounce it, but you guys know what I'm talking about from the picture. And I'm just like, I'm not lucky, like, oh, what's going on? And I remember clearly when I found my first one, my uncle told me whenever there's one of them, there's always more. I legit found like 7 of them, I think. So that was pretty cool. And then the day after the vaccine, I was actually supposed to have my gig with my music school. Like, I legit got so much stuff in my hand. don't really have much footage of it. I just got like a video so that my singing teacher did of me playing, which made me realize I definitely need to slow it down when I play, because I feel like I'm generally too fast. So yeah, that's something that I definitely need to work on, but that's the video.
I can't take care of myself. I know exactly my plan. I know what I want to do and I'm working on it. I can't take care of myself. I know exactly my plan. I know what I want to do and I'm working on it. Sorry if I made you think I'm something I'm not, and I'm sorry if I ruined the perfect picture you got. I'm sorry, but it's just who I am, and I still don't be sorry for being myself. Sorry if I made you think I'm something I'm not, and I'm sorry if I ruined the perfect picture you got. I'm sorry, but it's just who I am, and I still don't be sorry for being myself.
Said I wanted to do an all pack with me, but then I legit felt all the anxiety, and so I started packing while I was on FaceTime with my best friend. And yeah, well, so I've been trying to vlog and I've done a really terrible job. So I wanted to start packing and I wanted to do this on camera, but I ended up pretty much packing everything I needed. Like I said, I'm a terrible vlogger. I guess I just wanted to make this video to kind of like tell you guys where I'm at and update you, I guess, on the fact that I'll be going to Italy and I'll be attending a concert that I long waited for. I'll try to vlog it all. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, because I'm sure you don't want to miss my Italy trip and my Italy vlog and, like, you know, all the fun. I'm gonna see my best friend after like 2 years and I can't believe that. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's super random, so if you still stick around, thank you. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. That really helps me out. Tell me in the comments below if you're actually planning on going somewhere this year and where are you going. And other than that, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!